Peace out, y'all. I'm out. Alright, what's going down, crew? I'm gonna show you guys the process of me bleeding these brakes on the G35. I got it up on the jack stands with the wheels off. My neighbor came through and helped me out earlier, so we got most of the fluid in the bottle. That's all you'll need right here is an 8mm and a 10mm. I'm using .3 brake fluid, synthetic. And then you guys can rig up a bottle like this with some tube that I got at AutoZone for like $5. And all I did to make this was take a drill bit and put a drill on that cap, drill through with that drill bit. Let's check it out. I got rags right around the reservoir to keep any of that brake fluid from corroding anything. Check it out. We got that spacer installed. Make sure you guys go hit up that video. Check it out. And then on the front side, once you guys remove this little rubber cap, you could pop it off. Front side's a 10, and then the back's is a 8mm. You crack open that bleeder valve. Look at all that overspray too, man. You guys gotta look out. Don't be like me. Make sure you guys prep up a little better. Let's get into it. We're gonna start on this wheel here, since it's the furthest from the reservoir. Then we're gonna hit the driver's side rear. And then we're gonna hit the passenger side front. And then the closest one to the reservoir, which is the driver's side front. Let's go. Make sure this isn't so tight too, so the air pressure can come through the bottle. And make sure this tube is all the way submerged into some brake fluid. If you guys are just starting off, you guys could dump some new fluid into the bottle, or take a turkey baster and throw some of the old into there. But like I said, hella easy. Pop off that cap, and then make sure this is tied up on here. You guys can put a zip tie on there too to make sure that shit's not gonna come off. So boom. Now I'm gonna dump a little extra into this reservoir and we'll crack open that valve. And from what I'm hearing online, you guys got to start the car up for this to work right. What you think? What you know about that? guys see how that brake line is starting to look clean? Now we can shut this valve, hit the next brake. Okay, now we got some bubble action going. And just let all that air come out. What the fuck? That's a lot of air, bro. I'm gonna go pump these brakes again. We'll check it out afterwards. Hopefully there's no air that comes out of this shit. Just gonna check this bottle too, because this bottle's getting full. Okay, no more air is coming out, so now I'm gonna close that valve up. Back side's 8mm. Close this up. There we go. I'm gonna pinch this off and get me a new bottle. Did you guys see the difference in the color? That's what you want that brake fluid to look like. You don't want that action right there. Right, now we're gonna move to the next brake. Just make sure when you guys go back in to do it again, make sure you guys are topping off this reservoir. Alright guys, we're setting up on this side. That's all I'm doing. Push this tube onto here. Make sure you guys got a good connection on it. And also make sure you guys have your line submerged in that brake fluid. If not, you're just gonna suck air back into the system. Let's crack this valve open. Got some air coming out. Alright, let's do it again. Two. I'm not gonna lie, this is like my 5th time trying to do this side. Why is there air getting in there like that? Is it the tube that's not on there right? Someone help me out. Crack this open, see if any air comes out. What the hell, man? What's going on? I'll try it again. Sense. Let me elevate this bottle, man. I think that's my issue right now. Let me go get something to post this bottle up. Alright, I apologize you guys, man. This shit's fucking difficult. Hold on. Okay, let's try it now. Alright, let me know if you guys see some bubbles. Let me know, okay? Yell out to me, okay? It's all good. It's part of the process right here. I'm learning too. I'm getting this nasty fucking brake fluid out of there. Alright, let me know. Hold up. Looks good, you tell me. go. Let's go on to the next. Hey guys, let me know though if you guys see anything I'm doing wrong. Let me know. I'm gonna cap this one up though. We'll go hit that front side. Drop some comments though. Drop knowledge on me. Help me out. Let's go. I'm gonna help you guys. You guys help me out. Alright, now you guys let me know. Is this supposed to be getting tougher to do? Like, is this supposed to get harder to press down on? I'll find out. That's one thing I know is I'm gonna find out. Yeah, that shit feels fucking too easy to press down on, dude. What the hell? Okay. Fuck. I'm finna have to restart. Damn, bro. I think I let that reservoir go down too low. I'm about to restart real quick just to double check. Let's go, let's see. Got these dudes. Back over to that other rear wheel. Alright, you guys see I got that line elevated this time. Just crack it open. Okay. I'm gonna go pump the brakes. And this time I'm making sure that reservoir doesn't get emptied out. Clear. Just tighten it back up. Got that reservoir topped off. Let's go try again. Got all that dirty fluid. That's where I messed up last time, so let's get this right this time. I'm gonna keep going until I get this right. Alright, what happened now? You're all good? What's going on? Got some air coming out. Definitely got some air coming out. Try again. Alright, there we go. Now we look good. You guys don't be afraid to keep going back in and get it right. Look at that, there we go. Looks good. Let's hit this last one. Alright, let's get this right. just watched the footage back. It looks good. But honestly, man, I don't fucking know. You guys that are experts on this stuff, man, let me know what's up. What are these brakes supposed to feel like after all the air's out? I'll cap everything off. Alright, fluid's looking better though. So we're moving in the right direction. I'll throw these wheels on and check it out. Test these brakes out. See what's up. Alright, you experts out there, let me know what's up. Let me know what I'm supposed to be seeing when all the air's out. What are the brakes supposed to feel like? Drop some comments, bro. And those of you guys that are new like me in this realm, you guys can't be afraid to fail. What's the worst that's gonna happen? You gotta start over. You guys gotta just break through that shit. Just keep pushing the pace. Just keep attacking. Don't be afraid to trip. Just get right back up. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. I'm out.